So we partnered with the most thoughtful, accomplished, and award-winning group of creative visionaries who have ever come together in one place to create a new service unlike anything that's been done before. Apple TV Plus.
Want me to help you find your opening? Well, I would do this. I would start with a black screen, and I would put a little speck of light in the center of the black screen. I'll have the light grow in intensity, and then like the Big Bang, it explodes.
Life often makes no sense. There's something about stories that gives a sense of order and purpose to the world.
I'm so grateful to be here today. This is my first time at Apple. You know, the place where imagination and technology join forces to change the world through sight and sound and touch.
Underslept, over-adrenalized people. We take an honest look at the complex relationships between women and men in the workplace, and we engage in the conversation people are a little too afraid to have unless they are behind closed doors.
Hello? Am I late? I got it. Hey.
Get over here! Steve Carell! Steve, get over here. Hi,
Hello.
Steve.
Hi. I saw the two of you on screen up there, and I didn't know if it was my turn or not.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
No.
Being blind isn't something that can get turned on and off. It's a part of who you are. It's a part of your soul. And now, while you're at it, imagine a world evolved, designed, and built to be experienced without sight. We did, and it yielded the world.
Their curiosity about how to say various swear. When people defend immigration, they focus on the exceptionality of immigrants. Albert Einstein was an immigrant. Joseph Pulitzer was an immigrant. While those stories are inspiring and valuable, we wanted to focus on the immigrants doing everyday life stuff. Little America is an anthology series inspired by the true stories of immigrants in the U.S.
Apple TV Plus looks incredible, and we think that it will encourage new ways of looking at the world. This is just a sneak peek, the beginning of something very exciting. The opportunity to work with all of these exceptional artists is truly inspiring. Each will bring their own unique perspective to the stories they tell.
Thank you. Hi, everybody.
We search for common ground. We want to be heard, but we also need to listen, to be open, and contribute in order to harness our hopes and dreams and to heal our divisions. That's why I have joined forces with Apple. And to move together 1 billion plus strong into a future of our own design, all connected through Apple! Thank you.
Thank you, Oprah. Thank you. I will never forget this. Sorry. Okay.
7.
Ready?
6.
Yeah, I'm ready.
5. 4. 3.
2, 1.
This is where we build our new home.